Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, this one is for review for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So as you can see here, happy every day. Okay, smile face. Okay, just bought an iPhone 14 Pro Max from SEN-Q, and what is best about SEN-Q is they give a lot of free gift here that maybe Switch or other shop doesn't give to you. So these are the free gift, and the price is reasonable because more cheaper than the other shop I don't want to mention here. So this is the box for iPhone 14, sorry, iPhone 15 Pro Max. You can see here, iPhone 15 Pro Max, black titanium, 256 GB. Okay, Apple, from Apple, and designed by Apple California. This one is from the back here, the back of the box side is iPhone. This one's the front, Apple logo here, iPhone, and Apple logo here. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So this is the look of the phone, quite heavy. Okay, almost the same with the iPhone 13. Okay, and 14. This one is the sticker here. To peel it first. Okay, doesn't have the tempered glass. After this we want to install it. Okay, and what do you get? Also get the cable, Type C to Type C, and here is the sticker, Apple sticker. Here is the call center from Thailand only, used for Thailand only. This one is the pin to open the SIM card. Okay, this one is the it says for class 1 laser product. Okay, and using the recycled material, and it says here we have to get started with press and hold to turn on iPhone, choose ring or silent mode, and then volume up, down, and charge. That's one the first thing you need to test. So it's the pin. This one is also the guide in Chinese. This one is the guide in Bahasa. This one is in Thailand. Okay, that's all in the box. So to put it back here, including this sticker. This one is inside the box, right? Okay, I want to put it back. It's all in here. Okay. Okay, so what do you get when you buy it from SEN-Q? It give this mockingbird protective case. Okay, this is built in magnet for MagSafe. You can charge it using the MagSafe here, and it has a raised edge protect screen at the edge. It tested for 10 feet, drop tested 3 meter, and then this is for iPhone 15 Pro Max. Okay, 6.7 inch. Okay, at the back here, made for impact, mockingbird. Okay, scratch resistant, discoloration defense, and wireless charging, and 5G compatible, and antimicrobial defense. Okay. And then what you get also is the HD screen protector. This one is from ROM. Okay, sorry, Joy Room for 49 ringgit. This is for iPhone 15 Pro Max 6.7 inch. Okay, and it says here is water wear resistant, 9H hardness, and it has an anti fingerprint. Okay, electroplating and fingerprint oil, advanced shatter and protection, and it has a sensitive touch. Okay, after this we will install this screen protector. Okay, and the last one is around 79 ringgit. It is from River Song, the fast wall charger, power cube 20. Okay, 20 watt, wide compatibility and safety certified and smart identification for PD 3.0 Type C output. Also have the serial number there, River Song barcode there, and the product is the Power Cup 20 model. Power output input material weight is around 555 grams, standard UK. Okay, and it has a warranty card also given by the SEN-Q. Okay, want to switch on this iPhone 15. At the side profile, there's a volume up down, and the mute button here. There's a SIM card tray here. Type C speaker, dual speaker there. This one is the main switch on off. Up here nothing. Camera, and it has a island. 3 camera at the back, 1 LED and 1 sensor. Apple logo here. That's all. Okay, nothing much. More like same from iPhone 13 to iPhone 15. Okay, just from iPhone 14 they use the Type C charging. Okay. Okay, Apple logo there. Okay, it has been set up from the shop. Okay, yes, afterward I will use the ID. Okay, as you can see, okay, in the setup first. After this I will show you what's all inside this iPhone 15. Okay. Okay, ni dah dibuka tadi. Apps dah diatur. Kita apa nama ni? Using this Apple ID. Okay, install all the apps. The picture not changing yet, but the notes here, it will cover all the notes from the previous iPhone. Okay, and the settings easy. You just like the Apple Watch, you just bring your old iPhone to this new iPhone. It syncs all the data, your Apple ID and etc. And regarding the app, you need to install it one by one. And the WhatsApp is also good. You just download the restoring media. Okay, Telegram also easy. Okay, just put on your number, will cover, and all the apps you just need the passcode and ID. For example, the bank and etc. But the ID also I've installed it inside the notes, so you can recover all the ID here. Okay, that's all for this review about this iPhone. Good. Okay, I'm using my iPhone 11 Pro Max, I think about more than 6 years. So it's time to me for change the new phone. I hopefully this phone can last more than that. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.